Good morning, Jack. You're early today.
Yeah, I couldn't sleep well.
Again?
You work too much.
Maybe, but I have something important this week.
What kind of work?
I'll tell you later. It's not ready yet.
I texted you last night.
Oh, sorry. I didn't check my phone.
It was about lunch.
I saw it this morning, too late.
You didn't even reply no?
I was busy preparing something.
You always say that. Lately you feel far away.
Far away? No, I'm here.
But we barely talk.
I'm just stressed, that's all.
Or maybe you don't want to talk to me.
That's not true.
What are you hiding, Jack?
I told you. It's work.
You always avoid the question.
Because it's not finished yet.
Fine. Maybe he doesn't trust me anymore. You don't even eat lunch with me now.
I eat at my desk. I'm busy.
Busy? Or avoiding me?
Anna, please. Don't think like that.
Then explain. What is so important?
I can't tell you yet.
See? You never tell me anything.
It's not what you think.
I feel like I'm losing you.
No, you are not losing me.
Then, why does it feel like that?
Because I'm trying to protect something.
Protect what?
It's a surprise project for you.
What?
LB been working on it for weeks.
For me?
Yes, your promotion. I was preparing everything.
Wait. What? I thought you were ignoring me?
I was just hiding it.
Oh my God. I feel so silly now.
You're not silly. You care about us.
I should have trusted you.
I should have explained better.
So I'm getting promoted?
Yes, next week. Surprise meeting.
You really kept this secret.
I wanted it to be special.
You scared me for nothing.
Sorry, but it worked, right?
Yes, I almost cried.
Don't cry yet. Save it for the celebration.
Next time, just tell me a little, okay?
I will. No more secrets.
Communication is still important.
And trust.
Yeah, trust.